Greetings, fellow fitness enthusiasts and seekers of movement excellence. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on an exhilarating expedition through the world of mobility exercises. Today's odyssey is nothing short of epic, the ultimate guide to 12 mobility exercises for better movement. Whether you're an athlete aiming to elevate your game, a fitness devotee seeking to maximize your workouts, or an individual simply yearning for greater range of motion in your daily life, prepare to be enlightened. Clear a spacious zone, don your workout attire, and join us as we delve deeply into the transformative realm of mobility-enhancing exercises. Exercise 1. Neck rotations. Our journey commences with the serene elegance of neck rotations. Find a tranquil space, whether seated or standing, and initiate gentle rotations of your head from side to side. As you luxuriate in these rotations, you're not only fostering improved neck mobility but also bestowing upon yourself a respite from the accumulated stresses of the day. Exercise 2. Shoulder circles. Progressing harmoniously, we dive into the realm of shoulder circles. Stand tall, harnessing the power of your breath, as you guide your shoulders through a graceful symphony of circular movements. With each rotation, your shoulder joints are bathed in a cascade of nourishing blood flow, elevating your upper body mobility to new heights. Exercise 3. Cat-cow stretch. Venturing further, we arrive at the enchanting realm of the cat-cow stretch. Assume the tabletop position, a canvas upon which you'll paint the masterpiece of spinal flexibility. Inhale deeply as you arch your back, allowing your gaze to ascend toward the heavens, cow pose. Exhale with intention, rounding your spine and gazing inward, cat pose. This dance between flexion and extension not only blesses your spine with enhanced mobility but also fosters a profound connection with your breath. Exercise 4. Hip circles. As our journey continues, the rhythm of hip circles takes center stage. Stand boldly, your hands caressing your hips, as you sketch celestial arcs in the air with your hip joints. This dynamic orchestration of movement awakens dormant muscles, lubricates hip joints, and offers a mesmerizing preview of the mobility to come. Exercise 5. Leg swings. Transitioning seamlessly, we embark on the leg swing adventure. Anchoring yourself with grace, one leg becomes your pendulum. Swing it forward and backward, feeling the gentle stretch in your hip flexors and hamstrings. With every swing, you inch closer to the zenith of hip and hamstring flexibility. Exercise 6. Standing twists. Behold the standing twists, a celebration of the torsional marvels of the human body. Feet firmly planted, you become a conduit for the energy of the universe as you twist your torso from side to side. This sacred act not only amplifies spinal mobility but also serves as a reminder that your body is a temple of fluid movement. Exercise 7. Quadruped hip extensions. From the standing realm, we descend into the land of quadruped hip extensions. Kneeling humbly, you extend a leg behind you like an emissary exploring uncharted territories. With each extension, your hip joint blossoms, and your glutes awaken, embracing the call for enhanced hip extension and strength. Exercise 8. Lunge with thoracic rotation. A convergence of lower and upper realms beckons. The lunge with thoracic rotation. Stepping boldly into a lunge, you summon the energy of the earth through your feet. As you rotate your torso toward the front knee, you unearth the treasures of hip flexor mobility and thoracic spine liberation. Exercise 9. Hamstring stretch with reach. The dance of flexibility continues, as we waltz into the realm of hamstring stretch with reach. Hinge at the hips, a humble bow to the temple of your body, as you reach for your toes. With every inch of separation, your hamstrings and lower back release their tension, giving way to the embrace of supple mobility. Exercise 10. Ankle circles, a tribute to the unsung heroes, ankle mobility and stability. Seated gracefully, you draw circles with your ankles, as if painting portraits of strength and flexibility. This seemingly subtle act, however, sets the stage for a symphony of balanced movement. Exercise 11. Wrist flexor stretch. In the tale of mobility, even the smallest characters have their chapters. Extend your arm forward, your wrist becoming the protagonist. A gentle pull, a breath of relief, and your wrist flexors bow in gratitude for the attention. In the world of endless typing and gripping, This stretch is a timeless ode to your hardworking hands. Exercise 12. Full body roll down. Our grand finale, the full body roll down, is an opus of spinal articulation and holistic mobility. Like a phoenix, you rise and descend, an embodied symphony of movement. With each vertebra unfurling and refurling, you unveil layers of tension and emerge anew, reborn in the essence of unrestricted motion. As our journey draws to a close, you stand on the precipice of newfound mobility and embodied wisdom. These 12 mobility exercises are not mere movements. They are a portal to a life lived with grace, freedom, and expression. In your pursuit of greatness, remember that every stretch, every rotation, and every breath is a brushstroke on the canvas of your well-being. If this comprehensive guide has resonated with you, honor it with a thumbs up and journey with us further by subscribing to our channel. As you continue to explore the symphony of your body, remember that the dance of mobility is both the journey and the destination. Until we meet again, stay curious, stay agile, and may your movements be a testament to the masterpiece that is you.